Hello everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the realm of top-notch dash cams. Navigating through a plethora of options can be overwhelming, but fear not, as we're here to simplify the process. Dash cams play a crucial role in capturing unexpected moments on the road, offering both security and peace of mind. Whether you're a daily commuter, road trip enthusiast, or simply seeking an extra layer of protection, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll meticulously dissect the top 8 best dash cams of the year, basing our evaluations on online reviews, video quality, additional features, and of course, affordability. Conveniently, links to all the featured dash cams can be found in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's dive in and explore the best options for enhancing your on-road experience. Number 8. 70my A800S. The 70my A800S is the ultimate flagship dashcam, designed to redefine your driving experience with cutting-edge features. Boasting an impressive 4K UHD resolution, this dashcam delivers unparalleled image quality. Utilizing a Sony IMX415 sensor and f1.8 aperture for clear and vivid frames. Its dual-channel recording capability, when paired with the RC06 rear camera, provides comprehensive protection on the road. Additionally, compatibility with the FC02 interior dashcam ensures enhanced surveillance inside your vehicle, capturing activities and ensuring safety. The A800S excels in night vision with infrared lights and 3D DNR technology, offering clarity in low-light conditions. Its 24-hour smart parking surveillance, ADAS features, and easy installation make it a reliable and advanced driving companion. With the 70my app, you can effortlessly control the A800S, access real-time recordings, and share footage. This dashcam combines innovation with functionality, ensuring you drive with confidence and security. Number 7. Garmin Dash Cam 47. The Garmin Dash Cam 47 is a compact and discreet 1080p dashcam designed for enhanced protection on the road. With a wide 140-degree field of view, this voice-controlled dashcam captures important details in crisp HD video, ensuring that you're covered in various driving scenarios. The built-in GPS provides information on when and where events occur, and the device automatically records incidents. The camera's voice control feature enables hands-free operation, supporting commands in multiple languages. Additionally, the parking guard feature alerts you to incidents affecting your parked vehicle. With advanced driver awareness features like forward collision warnings and lane departure alerts, this dashcam promotes safer driving. The convenience extends to live view monitoring through the Garmin Drive app, allowing remote access to the camera, and the parking guard feature that provides video clip notifications for detected incidents. Durable and resilient, the Dashcam 47 is built to withstand harsh vehicle environments, and it comes with an extra USB port for simultaneous charging of the dash camera and your phone. Ready to use out of the box, it includes a microSD memory card. The Garmin Dash Cam 47 offers reliable and comprehensive coverage for your driving experiences. Number 6. Rove R2-4K. The Rove R2-4K dash cam is a cutting-edge in-car recording solution that sets a new standard for clarity and quality. Boasting 4K Ultra HD recording at 2160p, this dash cam utilizes a revolutionary super night vision technology, featuring an ultra-low light sensor NT96660 and Sony IMX335, ensuring crystal clear footage even in low light conditions. With built-in Wi-Fi, users can effortlessly manage and view recordings on their iOS and Android devices using the Rove app. The inclusion of GPS accurately records driving location and speed, offering additional insights into your journey. Packed with state-of-the-art features, including a large aperture, wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, and support for up to 512GB microSD cards, the Rove R2-4K provides a comprehensive and reliable recording solution for your driving needs. The dual parking mode features, proprietary distortion correction algorithm, and WDR contribute to making it an exceptional choice for users seeking top-notch performance and functionality in a dashcam. Additionally, the inclusion of a custom-designed dual 24-hour parking mode, voice alerts, and a distortion correction feature enhance the overall user experience, making the Rove R2-4K dashcam a reliable and feature-packed companion on the road. Number 5. VIOFO A129 Pro. The VIOFO A129 Pro dashcam is a cutting-edge solution for capturing your journeys on the road with unparalleled clarity. Boasting an Ultra HD 4K resolution at 30 FPS, it utilizes a Sony 8-megapixel image sensor and features a front f1.8 aperture with a wide 130-degree viewing angle. The built-in dual-band Wi-Fi supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, ensuring seamless connectivity. Equipped with a 2.0-inch HD LCD display, this dashcam offers a user-friendly interface. It goes beyond basic recording with advanced features like GPS logging, G-sensor, and motion detection, making it a reliable companion for various driving scenarios. The inclusion of a quick release mount, support for a circular polarizing lens filter, and compatibility with a micro SD card up to 512 GB enhance its versatility. Additionally, the A129 Pro supports an optional Bluetooth emergency remote and boasts an advanced parking mode for comprehensive coverage. Whether for daily commuting or road trips, this dash cam provides the clarity and functionality needed for a secure and documented driving experience. Number 4. Garmin Dash Cam 57. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 is a compact and efficient 1440p dash cam, offering a wide 140-degree field of view to capture and preserve essential details in high-definition video. This voice-controlled device ensures hands-free operation, providing convenience and safety while on the road. The built-in GPS adds location details to recorded videos, offering reliable proof of events. With features like automatic recording upon power connection, incident detection, and voice control, the Dashcam 57 is designed for ease of use and peace of mind. The compact size makes it unobtrusive, and the Garmin Clarity HDR optics guarantee crisp video quality day and night. Advanced driver awareness features, including forward collision warnings and lane departure alerts, promote safer driving habits. The parking guard feature monitors parked vehicles, providing alerts to your smartphone for detected incidents. The durability of this dashcam ensures resilience in various vehicle environments. The inclusion of an extra USB port and a memory card makes it a convenient out-of-the-box solution for capturing and sharing your driving experiences. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 is a reliable companion for any driver seeking added protection and awareness on the road. Number 3. Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam. The Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam is a compact and discreet solution for enhancing your driving experience. Designed to be easily concealed behind the rearview mirror, this dash cam records crisp 1080p Full HD video, providing a clear view of the road. Equipped with a suction cup mount and built-in GPS, it ensures accurate location tracking for your journeys. The Nexar app seamlessly records your drives, and crucial moments are backed up to the unlimited Nexar cloud for free. Even when you're away from your car, Nexar guards it by automatically recording in case of an impact. The dashcam's real-time parking and break-in alerts, along with live streaming capabilities, offer added security. In the event of an accident, Nexar emergency alerts notify you promptly, providing location details and a dashcam video link for easy dispatch to 911. Submitting insurance claims is made simple with sensor data such as speed, location, and impact force. With over-the-air software updates, the Nexar Beam continually improves, making it a reliable, feature-rich companion for your journeys. Number 2. Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW dashcam is a reliable companion for every road journey, prioritizing your safety and providing essential features for an enhanced driving experience. With a focus on always-on safety, the dashcam offers precise location sharing through 3 words, ensuring emergency services can quickly locate you with remarkable accuracy. The embedded precision location technology guarantees that your location is known and easily shareable, even in areas with no data connectivity. In the event of an accident, the crash detection feature automatically notifies emergency services if no movement is sensed after impact, offering you a reliable ally on the road. The intelligent parking mode, equipped with a motion sensor, provides 24/7 protection for your vehicle, giving you peace of mind even when you're not around. The 622GW captures the world in high-quality 4K with advanced image stabilization, leaving no detail unnoticed. With digital image stabilization, the footage remains rock-steady, ensuring crystal clear and slick recordings. Additionally, the integration of Alexa voice control brings convenience to your driving experience, allowing you to navigate, play music, make calls, check the weather, and more, all without taking your eyes off the road. The Nextbase 622GW dashcam is a comprehensive solution for staying safe, connected, and well-documented on the road. Number 1. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W is a compact and powerful 1440p dash cam designed to provide comprehensive coverage with its extra-wide 180-degree field of view. This voice-controlled device captures crucial details on the road, offering clarity with Garmin Clarity HDR optics, day and night. Built-in GPS ensures accurate location stamping for recorded events, enhancing the reliability of captured footage. The camera features incident detection, automatically saving video during events, and voice control functionality for hands-free operation. The parking guard alerts you to incidents affecting your parked vehicle, adding an extra layer of protection. With driver alerts, including forward collision warnings and lane departure warnings, the Dashcam 67W promotes safer driving habits. The Travel Apps feature condenses hours of driving into shareable highlights. The durable design withstands harsh environments, and additional features like live view monitoring and the extra USB port for simultaneous charging make it a convenient and reliable companion on the road. The Garmin Dashcam 67W provides peace of mind with its advanced features, making it a valuable asset for any driver. So that's it for the best dash cams of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.